Hello again, it's Noob, and just look at this amazing cast Yale and Towne Manufacturing Co. padlock. Now, I don't know what it's sort of made of. It looks like it's got some rust on here, so I'm guessing it could be cast iron or steel with a probably a bronze shackle. I can see some sort of brassy tones coming through. But because of the corrosion here, it makes me think that that's steel. I've got a magnet, should help me to determine. So, yeah, that's iron, and that's not magnetic at all. So that's probably bronze, knowing Yale. So, yeah, interesting lock. Now, I'm not going to lie, I forgot that this is pull tension. You can see the core move back. And I did try top of the keyway tensioning clockwise for a bit until I realised that I was being an idiot. But tensioning this is a right pain. And what I found is if you stick this very tightly in a small vise like this, let's put some lighting in there, like that, really tight. Really tight, and then you get something like this Lock Tools pry bar, and you put it at the back of the lock here, and then basically pry it away like that. Then you can use a pick to pick it, and well, let's have a go. I think there's only like 4 pins in this. That's 3, 2. I feel like one was there somewhere. You hear that click? That was on 3. And you can tell you're picked when you can move the whole lock to one side, so it's not quite there yet. Another click on pin 2. Okay, and oh, and now we're open. There we go. So it doesn't take an awful lot of effort, but yeah, an interesting lock nonetheless. And then it literally, you can see how it must be quite well sprung here still, even though it's old. Then when it turns back round, it locks in, then you can't open it again. You can't force it open. It's held in pretty tightly. You need to lock that back up, but it's pretty cool, isn't it? No key on this one, but imagine it's sort of a flat key with a moderate bitting on it. So yeah, kind of cool, huh? Nice old Yale. Interesting one to tension, interesting one to pick. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have a comment about this beautiful Yale and Towne padlock, then please leave it below. I'll read all the comments and I'll reply to as many as I can. I'll see you all next time.